I hate it when you see a cool thumbnail and then in the video you see nothing back from that cool thumbnail. Well, this is the making of the thumbnail. Michael just played a game on the Street Fighter arcade. And yeah, I put the truck here next to a Knight Rider in this very cool diorama. Custom made, handmade. Can't find it in store. There's only one of it. Enjoy the video. Hey, hello everyone. Another review about a diecast product. And this time I have a 1/64 truck from the brand IXO models. It's in a 1/64 scale, a GMC General 1980. And when I saw this truck on a picture, I thought, this looks exactly like the Knight Rider truck. I'm not 100% sure. Yo, it got a license plate. This is already a winner for me. But yes, I thought this is a perfect combination next to the Knight Rider car and the Knight Rider figure I have from Michael. Okay, let's take a look. As you can see, it's still in the plastic. How can I get this off? Still stuck right here. There we go. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the box first. We can see some information here. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. IXO Models is active on Facebook. Unfortunately, not on Instagram. And here we have email address. If you have some IDs for IXO, especially 1/64 scale, you can let them know. Barcode, article number, and we can see it's an official licensed product. That is what we like, and a QR code for who knows what. Made in Bangladesh. Okay, here you can see in a big 1/64. Comes in a nice display case. I think I also have to open it here, and then I push it out. There we go. I wonder if there also is a license plate in the back. Dude, we got some tape. Okay, yeah. Going to use a knife for that. No. That's some strong tape right there. Hallelujah. My advice, use some other tape. Okay. First looks totally awesome. It looks really like the Knight Rider truck, in my opinion. We got a license plate. Let's focus on the license plate. I have no idea if this license plate is also on the Knight Rider truck, but the black with the golden stripes. Same with the Knight Rider truck. Yeah, we also got a license plate in the back, California. Double wheels. Rubber tires. This is made out of plastic. So this here is plastic. This is metal. And this is also metal. But it looks very good, very well detailed. Also those windscreen wipers. The side mirrors, the horns on top, the lights. They're all lanced here on top. They're lanced here in the front. This is some pretty good quality. This is also plastic. Authentic rims. The exhaust. Big fuel cans here on the side. Okay, and I also want to know, of course, the interior. Giant steering wheel. Not familiar with these kind of trucks, I have to be honest. I'm not an expert when it comes to these kind of trucks, so I can't tell you if everything is okay. I said the rims are authentic. Well, from what I can remember, this looks pretty authentic to me. Okay, now we're going to take it off the base. What we have to do for it, 2 screws. I hope this one is not too small. I'm going to put my finger here on the hood. No, that is not going to work. Let's see if I have another one, a bigger one. Oh. Nope. I have to take another tool for it. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with my Leatherman. If you ever want to buy a multi-tool, buy this Leatherman. It helps me a lot with a lot of things. Okay, this should do the job. What was I saying? Put my finger on the hood for some pressure. There we go. That's one. Now there we go. There is some information here. Do we want to read that? Well, freeze the frame if you want to read that. It says something about swallow and not made for kids. Okay, the base. Oh yeah, it's a metal base. And the wheels are rolling perfect. Fuel compartments. Are they both fuel compartments? I think so. Yeah, like I said, I'm not a truck expert. GMC General 164. Yeah. Fantastic looking model. And now, let's do it like this. So, put the camera a little bit higher. And then, I have here a Knight Rider from the Hot Wheels ID. I bought this one on the last Namak event. See, tape is still there. I'm going to take the tape off on both sides. Yeah. Push it out. Oh man, how do I do this? So, this is the Hot Wheels Knight Rider. There's no sticker inside. With the Hot Wheels mainlines, you had a sticker inside on the dashboard. The dashboard had colors. Do have a license plate here in the back. Yeah, very cool. Very happy to have this one. Okay, let's put them next together. There we go. So maybe it's better. Let's go over here. Let's make some more light. We are gonna have a look in the garden. And then here I have a couple of more Knight Riders. Do I have, this one is with the sticker inside. Yep, you can see, put some light on. You can see the sticker that they used to have inside with the mainline model, mainline. No rubber tires or whatsoever. We even have the red scanner. And here, oh, this is also a mainline, but no sticker here anymore. This is from not so long ago. They did not so good on the license plate, unfortunately. Hot Pursuit mode. Here we have one from the premium version. Don't like the rims. But this one do have a sticker inside, so much better. And also a good license plate, I like that, and a red scanner. Yeah, let's make some room. So we're going to take this elsewhere. So you can go here, you can stay here in Diecast City. And you going here on the Batman, and then going back for the truck. Place it right here. Oh, this is the one, this is a raisin version. This is the best version I got. Did a review about it. Don't remember the brand name, but so much details here inside. 1/64 scale. Yeah. Let's place you here at the movie section. Place the truck like this. I think this is a pretty cool picture, and the only thing we need is Michael, but I don't think he will. Let's do it like this. Yes, that's perfect. How cool is this? Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this truck, and if it is the Knight Rider truck, let me know in the comments, please. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, click, click. See you soon. Bye.